In this day and age, money is so hard to come by. Some people go through great lengths just to pay the bills. Some even go through desperate measures just to get by from day to day. It's no surprise that people seek the most extreme of measures just so they can survive the jungle. Well, what if I told you that I could teach you a technique that can help you make ends meet? This technique is safe, easy, and available from anywhere in the world. What's more is that it is highly lucrative, so you can earn as much as $1,000 weekly. All you need is a device that can connect to the internet, a PayPal account, and you're good to go. If this interests you, don't turn your back on me just yet, because I'm about to show you how to do it. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. So for this video, I will introduce you to a website called Fiverr. You've probably heard of it before because it's super popular nowadays. Fiverr is a platform that allows freelancers and clients to connect more easily. In a bit, you'll see what we can do on this platform without doing actual work. But before we dive right into Fiverr, I mentioned earlier that you will need a PayPal account in order to get paid with cash. So if you don't have an account yet, let me teach you how. However, if you already have an account on PayPal, you can skip this part and get right onto the next part where I can show you how to navigate your way through Fiverr. If you are not familiar with it yet, PayPal is an e-commerce company that was made and developed to facilitate the transfer of money through online means. Basically, it's like a wallet for online money where you can connect your existing bank accounts, if you have any. It's super easy to use and very secure as well, because it's been proven and tested over the course of many years by thousands of users already. So to start with your PayPal account, go to paypal.com, and from there, you can set up a complete free account. Click over the blue Sign Up button, and you will be asked if you need this account for your personal use or for your business. As this method is personal, I suggest you choose personal. And then, you can enter your personal details from there, starting with your mobile number, email, password, as well as your complete address. If you are done filling out the details, you can just verify your email address by going to your inbox and clicking the link that PayPal will send you, and your account is good to go. I will now be showing you how to work your way through Fiverr. But before that, let me ask you if you have tried freelancing jobs prior to watching this video. How was your experience with freelancing? I would appreciate it if you can share your insights so that we can all learn from each other, viewers and creators alike. If you're done sharing your insights, let's go back to the video. Now that you have your PayPal account, we can now go to Fiverr. As I mentioned earlier, Fiverr is a website where freelancers can offer services for a commission. But although this is the main point of Fiverr, I will not be teaching you how to become a freelancer. Instead, I will be showing you how to set up a stream of passive income which can help you make money without doing any real work. This is called the Fiverr Affiliate Program. So what is this program? Through the Fiverr Affiliate Program, you are asked to urge other users and freelancers to visit the website and avail of its services provided by the freelancers themselves. If you get to invite a user to avail of a commissionable service on Fiverr and get them to spend money on this platform, you'll get a commission payment. This payment depends on what service they avail of and how much they spend on the service. Basically, all you need to do is invite other people, make sure that they use the platform and spend money on it, and then you get paid via PayPal. See, you don't have to do any real work at all or provide any sort of freelancing service. You don't need prior experience, nor do you need any highly technical skills. Easy, right? At the end of this video, I will be showing you a bonus tip which can help you grow your income more with the least amount of work. Like I said, this is a passive income. All you need to do is to wait for the money to start streaming in. In a moment, I will be revealing the best way to use this program. But before we get onto that, I'd first like to ask you, my dear viewers, About your country of origin, Fiverr is available worldwide, so you don't have to worry about your location at all. So can you comment down below your country with the emoji of your country's flag? I'd appreciate this very much, as this would help me curate the videos and content that I make for you. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to work. On the Fiverr homepage, you can click on the link that says Affiliates. Here, you will get redirected to the Affiliates page. If you're starting to wonder just how much money you can make on this program, you can browse through the affiliate plans on this page that says Commission Plan. You will see here that there are two methods that you can use this program. First is through Fiverr CPA. Here, a dynamic CPA will be earned depending on what services that your invitees will purchase. Through Fiverr CPA, you can earn from $15 to $150. Basically, on Fiverr CPA, you'll earn up to $150 depending on what service you urge a first-time buyer to purchase. If you want to earn $150, you have to urge them to avail of a Fiverr Pro service. The second method where you can earn through this program is Fiverr Hybrid, which will allow you to earn a $10 CPA plus a 10% rev share. This means that you get a fixed $10 CPA on the first purchase and a rev share for 12 months. In essence, you'll receive $10 of commission as well as 10% of the total amount that the client spent, no matter what service they buy. For example, if you urge a client to purchase a $2,000 commission, you can get $200 from the 10% of that commission without doing anything. The Fiverr Hybrid method is perfect for those who want long-term passive income, because as the affiliate, you will be earning commissions on whatever Fiverr services that your client purchases within the next 12 months. Despite the tempting long-term revenue that Fiverr Hybrid offers, we believe that the Fiverr CPA method is still better if you want to earn a large amount of money quickly. All you need to do is to promote other services to keep on earning money. Now that you've heard and understood just how lucrative this method is, I'm sure you're excited to walk through the affiliates program with me. So to start off, go to affiliates.fiverr.com, which is a link that automatically sends you to the affiliates program. Once on the page, click on the button that says Start Earning. On the sign up page, the first question that they will ask is about the type of account you have. It is important that you click on Private. The following details are your personal details, such as your full name, your email address, and a password. It is important that you enter a valid email address because you will have to verify it in a while. Once done filling out your details, you will be redirected to a page that will ask you how you intend to promote the services on Fiverr. You can just go ahead and click on whatever method as honestly as you will. Then, once you agree to the terms and conditions, just click on Register and your account is now ready as a Fiverr affiliate. Now let's talk about generating traffic to promote and grow your network's presence. Let us first go over Fiverr Pro services. Keep in mind that you will not be paying for any of these services. Your clients will do those for you. As long as you redirect them to the Pro services, you can earn up to $150. Through our experience with this platform, I've discovered that the most effective way to generate the highest amount of money with this program is to utilize and exhaust services like social media management and social media marketing. Then you will want to look for a freelancer with good reviews and services offered at reasonable prices. If you have found a good freelance commissioner, you can start expanding the reach of your network by going to reddit.com. If you don't know what Reddit is, though I highly doubt it, Reddit is a website with public forums used by millions of users worldwide. People ask questions and they get answered readily by other users as well. Because Reddit users talk about anything and everything under the sun, you are most likely to find people requesting for social media managers or advice on social media management and marketing. Make sure that you add your affiliate link at the bottom of the pitch. Then enter as many discussions as you like with similar content as your pitch. This will guarantee the expansion of your network's reach and will gain you new clients, thereby making your passive income stream more robust. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.